Enough of the talking. What's inside this course? We're pretty much done getting started. In the next module, we'll have a look at pages, views, and routing, so you will learn some of the core features Nuxt offers. Thereafter, we'll start building a real project because it's always better to see the things in action than just listen to theory. And we'll then have a look at how we can handle data in Nuxt apps, how Vuex, so the state management system of Vue, integrates into Nuxt apps, things like that. When we are already working with data, we'll then also have a look at how we can fetch and store data on a server. Because if Nuxt is only about the server-side rendering and not a server-side framework, the question of course is, how do we connect this kind of server-side app to a real server-side backend? We'll have a look at this in this module. Thereafter, we'll have a look at the Nuxt configuration we can set up and features which are called plugins and modules. Let's find out what that is. With that, we got very solid fundamentals. We'll then have a look at middleware and authentication, how we can add this to a Nuxt application. Then it's time for a closer look at Nuxt and the server side. How well can we integrate our Nuxt app with other server-side features beyond the pure pre-rendering or rendering in general of our Vue apps? So what else can we do? Can we connect to a database from our Nuxt app? We'll have a look at this question in this module. And then it's time for deployment. Now in this module, I will focus on showing you how you can build your Nuxt app in different modes. So as a universal app, as a single page app, and that is a very important feature, as a statically generated app. We will dive into all three build options and I will walk you through them and explain what the difference is and what you would ship to a server if you decide to use a certain option. And that's it. I'll then round the course up and I'm sure you will have learned a lot about Nuxt once we reach this point.